Hello everyone. So today we'll see the Halco collection of hard baits what we have in our shop. So we'll see what is available in Halco hard baits. So on up top we have the rooster popper collection. We have sizes from 135 to up till very small size of 45. So we'll see, and so this is the biggest size 135 and this is 49 grams. This is the top water popper. It has a cup face here. So I'll give you a popping action. This is the top water lure, and this you can use it for GTs, trevallies, salmon and mackerel, tuna. And this has a rear, this is a rear weighted one, so the rear weighted one, and it will give you exceptional casting ability. And next up, this is the very popular size in rooster popper 105, and in this we have variety of colors, variety of color options we have. And this is the popular fire tiger. This is the popular fire tiger we have, fire tiger color. So this is the 105, 135, 105. Then next we have the smaller size, little bit smaller than 105. This is the rooster popper 80. Again, in this we have variety of colors, and this is the popular red and white. And next is the smallest size of the rooster popper. You can see the size here. So this is the smallest size. This is called rooster popper 45, and this smallest size. It has two treble hooks here, smaller treble hooks. And as you can see, all these rooster poppers come with very sturdy treble hooks, one on the body and one on the tail. And next up we'll see the night walker. This is a surface trawler, and it has a front cup face here, large area. And this is a surface crawling lure with a luminous bib. This bib is a luminous bib, and it has a rattle as well. You can see the rattle. It has a rattle, and you can use both for fresh water and salt water. Preferably this is for estuaries or your backwaters. And next up we have the Poltergeist 80. This is a diving lure which is goes up to 5 meter plus, and deep diving lure. And this is suitable for yellow belly, cod, fresh water as well as salt water. And apparently this has caught the largest cod in Australia. This lure has caught the largest cod in Australia, that too from bank. So, and this comes with a rattle. You can see a good rattle sound, and it has a very large bib or a lip. So, and we have some unique colors in this as well. So next up we have the Seaguar 120. This is a 40 gram lure. This is a weighted lure. You can see the weight here. So the weight is visible here, the lead weight. And it comes with two treble hooks, and is a weighted stick bait with a medium sink rate. So the sink rate is very medium in this, not fast sinking. And again, this can be used for mackerel, tuna, tailors. This is the long casting lure. And Seaguar we have different colors. You can see this one here with the bony pattern here on the fish. So next up we'll see the Hama. We have 105. We have two sizes, 105 and 123. So what is the unique thing about Hama is it has a shorter lip, and it comes with a spare lip. So you can change the action. This lip or this bib has a different action, and this bib has a different action. So if you want to change the action, you can change the bib here. It comes with an additional bib, all the Hama lures. So slow retrieve. This is for a slow retrieve with the action that mimics a wounded bait fish. So this gives you an action of a wounded bait fish, and it comes with two bibs. This weight is around 118 gram. For 105 is around 18 gram, and if you go for 123, the weight is around 28 grams. And this goes to a depth of around 3 meters to 1 meter. Easily you can change the bibs. So these are all the Hama. Next we have Max 130, and this is the very heavy lure. This is 80 grams, and as soon as you pick it up, you can feel the weight. This is for long casting, and so many pelagic mackerels, tuna species used for casting or trolling at speed of around 12 knots. So it goes to around 2 meters deep, and has a slender tail for maximum hook exposure. Next, the same one, the Max we have in a smaller profile. So Max basically it is a lipless. There's no lip, and is a slender profile, so that it can be retrieved at a very high speed. So this can run to a speed of around 12 knots. So this is good for trolling. And next up we have the very popular Laser Pro. So these are very popular here in Laser Pro, and this is a Laser Pro DD 120 DD 2.5 meter. Then again we have another Laser Pro which is Laser Pro 120 meter standard. So difference here is, you can see the difference here. So the bib or the lift, there's a difference in this. So this has a wider profile, but this is a narrower, and it is bent one. So this one goes to around 1 meter, and this is around 2.5 meter. So that is the difference between 120 DT and 120 meter standard. So these is the very popular Laser Pro. And finally we have the Sorcerer 125 DD. It goes to 5 meter plus, and this is by the looks you can see this is very popular and resembles similar to the other lures available in Australia, which is the popular for Bara, and this is a wider lip. This goes to for 5 meter plus. This is the very popular lure for Bara, popular in Australia and here as well. Also great for jacks, threadmen, salmon, flatheads, trevallies and more. Yes. And finally we have the Shark Trace hook with the leader wire. You can see the hook, very heavy duty hook, and it comes with the leader wire. So this is around 100 lb 1 meter. So this is the collection we have for Halco. This and yesterday you already seen the jigs collection, metal jigs. So this is the Halco collection available online. You can check our online store or you can visit our store. Thank you.